Good morning, board. Good morning, clientele. My name is Jacody Lewis, and today I'll be talking about the package designs for your juice product. Next slide. So we understand that you're an organic, environmentally friendly juice company that was looking for a new product for your premium juice. We understand that you want to distribute this to 20 different distribution centers in cases of 24. And I think we've designed a product that best fits your product today. Next slide. So with the primary packaging function designs you had requested for us, we came up with a package that is durable, sophisticated, and protects your juice, of course. So with that design in mind, we came up with the tempered glass bottles. If you look up on the screen, it talks about just the different positive effects with using tempered glass. And one of the big ones I want to point out that it is environmentally friendly. It can be extremely visually appealing. We can mold it, and it is extremely durable. Next slide. So the first package we decided to talk to you about is the tempered glass with a swing top. We really like this design. Actually, I saw one of these at the Crow Press Breweries this morning. One of the cool parts of this design, it's very hip, it's very trendy, based off of our market research. And we think it would be very appealing to our younger, upper, and middle class audiences. Next slide. For our second package design, we came up with something a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more refined. This is your classic wine bottle design with a metal lined cap at the top. Then this is more designed for your middle to upper class, older audiences. Of course, our company can design both bottles for you, so you can put it in different distribution centers as needed. Next slide. So the primary printing for this, we'll be using a flexographic printing. And with this, it allows us to do short or long runs. So with whatever bottle designs you decide to go with, as long as you give us advance notice, we can create a plate and we can put that design on there. So it's very affordable and it's actually extremely eco-friendly, which for your company, of course, as being a green company, I know is very important to you. Some of the disadvantages, as I stated, is we would need a new plate if you wanted to change the label. So that just takes a little bit of coordination, but it's not that big of a deal. Next slide. So primary package additional concerns. One of the biggest things we would like to shoot for in order for you to maximize production is to try to recycle the bottles as much as possible. With that in mind, our team in the marketing department have kind of came up with a process for being able to recycle the glasses. The IT folks will be talking after us, and they'll be explaining that a little bit more in depth. But the basic concept is that the consumer could take the glass with a barcode on it, and then scan it, put it inside this receptacle, and then get a rebate coupon. And then this also allows the glass bottle to be returned to the manufacturer and then recycled. Next slide. So our secondary package function for this goes with keeping green sustainability in mind. We decided to go with the basic plastic soda crates. I apologize, plastic soda crates. This is going to be very minimum. They're very durable, and then this allows us to stack beverages and keep them safe during the distribution process. Next slide. So one of the disadvantages of this, using these plastic crates, of course, is we will need to set up an exchange point. This is not as much as a disadvantage as it just takes a coordination and partnership with the retail stores. Many other beverage companies have done this beforehand, and if you need it, we'll be more than glad to get our contracting department over there to help resolve this issue for you. Next slide. In conclusion, tempered glass bottles will be the best to be competitive with other premium juice brands. It provides a sophisticated look, it's environmentally friendly, and has the potential to be reused in production through the rebate system. All right, at this time I'll be pending any of your further questions.